This video, I'll show you how to quickly file your 2025 Canadian crypto taxes using TurboTax and CoinLedger. First, go to the TurboTax website and sign in. If you're new, create an account. Once logged in, navigate to the 2024 Taxes tab, then click Federal. Next, go to Wages and Income, then select Investments and Savings, which includes crypto forms like 1099B, 1099-INT, and 1099K. Click Add Edit to input your crypto transactions. Confirm your intent, select your financial institution, and TurboTax will pull in your data for accurate reporting. Finally, click Let's Get Your Forms to download a summary of your crypto investments. And that's it. TurboTax and CoinLedger make filing crypto taxes fast, simple, and stress-free.